Have you ever wondered if you can truly cleanse your liver naturally? With our daily exposure to toxins, from the foods we eat, to the air we breathe, our liver works tirelessly to keep our bodies clean. But what if there were two natural, powerful remedies that could help your liver perform at its best? Today, we're revealing two potent foods that can rejuvenate your liver, plus one extra powerful liver detoxifier at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Welcome to Levitas. Let's start by understanding that the liver is already a self-cleansing organ. Its primary role is to filter out toxins and waste from your body, converting harmful substances into something you can safely eliminate. However, factors like poor diet, alcohol consumption, smoking, and environmental toxins can overload your liver, making it less efficient. While you can't simply wash your liver, you can effectively support its natural detoxification processes by making healthier choices and incorporating specific foods and supplements into your routine. Water has always played a crucial role in supporting liver function. Proper hydration helps the liver flush out toxins more effectively, allowing it to maintain its role as the body's primary detox organ. But how much water should you be drinking to support your liver? Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses, or about 2 to 2.5 liters per day. This amount ensures that your liver and kidneys have enough fluid to filter out toxins from the bloodstream and produce bile, which is essential for digesting fats and removing waste. Drinking water regularly throughout the day, rather than just when you're thirsty, can also help prevent dehydration, which can strain your liver and slow down its detoxification processes. Also, exercise can play a significant role in supporting liver health. When you engage in physical activity, your body burns fat, and this process helps reduce the amount of fat stored in the liver. A fatty liver can lead to liver disease, so keeping your liver fat-free is crucial for its health. Regular exercise, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, increases your heart rate and blood flow, which helps your liver process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. Additionally, exercise reduces inflammation, a common issue in liver disorders, by lowering levels of harmful substances in the blood. Aim for at least 180 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week to keep your liver in top shape. What are the two natural liver cleansers? Let's get into the important stuff. Here are the two foods that will clean your liver, plus our extra powerful liver detoxifier. 1. Apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV, has been praised for its various health benefits, but did you know it can also be a powerful ally for your liver? ACV contains acetic acid, which can help stimulate bile production in the liver, aiding in the detoxification process. Bile is essential for breaking down fats and removing toxins from your body, and a well-functioning bile flow can significantly improve liver health. Apple cider vinegar is also rich in enzymes and probiotics, which can support digestion and reduce the load on your liver. In addition to its detoxifying properties, apple cider vinegar may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce fat accumulation in the liver, making it particularly beneficial for those with fatty liver disease. To incorporate ACV into your daily routine, mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. Drinking this mixture 1 to 3 times a day, preferably before meals, can help your liver function more efficiently. Remember that prolonged exposure to its acidity can harm tooth enamel and the esophagus, if consumed undiluted. 2. Lemon water is another simple yet effective remedy for liver health. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress on the liver. This citrus fruit also contains citric acid, which can enhance the liver's ability to produce bile. This aids in the digestion and detoxification processes, making it easier for the liver to cleanse itself of harmful substances. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning is a great way to kickstart your liver's detoxification process. The citric acid in lemons also promotes hydration by encouraging you to drink more water, which, as we've discussed, is crucial for liver health. To make lemon water, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm, or room temperature water. Drinking this mixture daily can help maintain your liver's natural detoxification abilities and keep your body running smoothly. The extra powerful liver detoxifier. Milk thistle, often referred to as a liver tonic, has been used for centuries to support liver health. The active ingredient in milk thistle, silymarin, is a powerful antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage caused by toxins, alcohol, and other harmful substances. Silymarin also promotes the regeneration of liver cells, making milk thistle particularly beneficial for those recovering from liver damage or looking to enhance their liver's resilience. Research has shown that milk thistle can improve liver function in people with liver disease and may even help prevent the progression of liver fibrosis, a condition where the liver becomes heavily damaged and scarred due to excessive toxin exposure. To harness the liver cleansing benefits, it is recommended to take 200 to 400 milligrams of a standardized milk thistle extract, containing 70 to 80% silymarin, once or twice a day. So, milk thistle can provide your liver with the extra support it needs to stay healthy and perform its vital detoxification functions. In conclusion, proper hydration and regular exercise are fundamental to maintaining a healthy liver. Water is essential for flushing out toxins, aiding in bile production, and ensuring your liver functions optimally. By drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, you can support your liver's natural detoxification process, prevent dehydration, and help your body to efficiently eliminate waste. Engaging in activities like walking, swimming, or cycling for at least 180 minutes a week boosts blood circulation, reduces liver fat, enhances toxin removal, and lowers inflammation. To further elevate your liver health, incorporate our natural cleanses like apple cider vinegar and lemon water into your routine. They will make a significant difference. Apple cider vinegar stimulates bile production and supports digestion, making it an excellent ally for detoxifying the liver. On the other hand, lemon water, rich in vitamin C and citric acid, offers antioxidant protection and promotes hydration, both of which are vital for liver health. And the liver powerful booster, milk thistle, stands out as a very potent liver detoxifier. With its active ingredient, silymarin, milk thistle protects liver cells from damage, promotes regeneration, and can even help manage liver fibrosis. Including these natural remedies in your daily regimen provides your liver with the support it needs to stay healthy and resilient in a world full of toxins. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.